Hi guys, so right now, kailangan na natin palitan yung rear na tire nito for screen kasi overdue na siya. So, yes, ang ipapalit natin is, tada! It's a Maxxis Victra S98 stock size. Again, it's a Maxxis Victra S98 stock size. Let's go! So, ito na yung sign na kailangan mo nang palitan yung gulong. And as you can see, may indicator naman siya. Dito nyo malalaman kung gano'n na lang siya kapal. So, if ganito na yung condition, kailangan na natin siya palitan. Again, ito na yung papalit natin. So, open na natin, di ba? See the difference. This is a brand new tire versus the old one. Ito yung indicator na sinasabi ko. So, ayan. Changing of tire is part of the maintenance. So, question is, why do we need to change tire? It wears out. If you run it on a flat tire, mas mabilis po ma-wear out yung gulong. It is why I chose to change it para good condition ng tire and safe ang bawat biyahe. Also, I just chose to stick to the stock size kasi mas nagpe-perform ng maayos siya for me. For me lang ha, mas okay sa akin yung stock size. Also, why did I choose Maxxis Victra? Kasi makapit, mas mura. Ika nga nila, bang for the buck siya. So, yan. So, nagpalit na rin pala ako ng pipe. Stuck siya, pero naka-slip on. And gawa siya ni J. Fox Goods.